Before installing your Verso car seat, please review your car seat instruction manual. Always remember to properly install the car seat on your vehicle seat before placing your child in it. The rearward-facing mode is for children from birth to 18 kilograms, which is approximately 4 years old. It is recommended to keep a child rearward-facing for as long as possible. This is why Verso has an extended rearward-facing rating up to 18 kilograms. When used rearward-facing, the shoulder harness slots must be even with or just below the child's shoulders. There are 2 recline positions for rearward-facing. Align the top reclining indicator arrow with one of the bottom blue arrows. Rotate the infant body support. Pass the vehicle waist belt through the vehicle waist belt slots. Engage the vehicle buckle. Check that there are no twists in the vehicle seat belt. Pull and tension the waist belt. Pass the vehicle shoulder belt through the rear-facing belt guide. Open the locking clip and insert the vehicle seat belt through it. Press the car seat down firmly and pull the vehicle shoulder belt to tighten, then lock the clip. Double-check that there is significant tension in the waist belt and that the car seat does not move on the vehicle seat. Replace the infant body support. The infant body supports can be removed for children over 9 kilograms. Place the child in the seat. Pull the shoulder harness over the child's shoulders, then click the buckle. Pull the shoulder harness adjustment strap to tighten the harness, ensuring the child is secure. Press the button on the harness adjuster and pull the shoulder harness toward you. Unbuckle the harness. Detach the snaps on the seat pad and move the harness behind it. Lift seat pad up and place the shoulder harness straps and buckle tongues in the harness hideaway storage compartments. Remove buckle cover and pull the buckle through the slot in the seat pad. Store the buckle in the harness hideaway compartment. Reattach the snaps to recover the seat pad. Groups 2 and 3 are forward-facing for children between 15 and 36 kilograms, which is approximately 3 to 12 years old. There are 4 recline positions for Group 2 and 3. Align the top reclining indicator arrow with one of the bottom red arrows. When using in the forward-facing Group 2 and 3 modes, the bottom of the headrest should be even with or just above the child's shoulders. Verso may be used with or without the ISO-safe connectors in Group 2-3 mode. To use the ISO-safe connectors, press the ISO-safe adjustment button and fully extend the ISO-safe connectors. Align the connectors with the vehicle ISOFIX attachment anchor points and click them straight on. There should be an audible click, and the ISO-safe indicators should be green, indicating proper placement. Double-check that the seat is securely attached by pulling on the ISO-safe connectors. Push the car seat back until it is flush with the vehicle seat. Place the child in the seat. Pull out the vehicle seat belt and pass the vehicle waist belt through the waist belt slots. Engage the vehicle buckle. Place the vehicle shoulder belt through the shoulder belt guide. Check that there are no twists in the vehicle seat belt. For more detail, please review your car seat instruction manual or visit www.joiebaby.com.